Hey everyone, Community Manager MyNamesTee here, and today I'm excited to showcase to you all our version 2 of our creator dashboard and our chatbox across the Velora platform. To get a look at our new dashboard as well as our chatbox, let me go over the new chatbox. First of all, to get there, I would need to press my name, top right, then click my profile, and say hello to Chatbox version 2.0, featuring a completely overhauled, rewritten, and redesigned, making the chatbox feel responsive, fast, and less resource heavy than the previous version. And now, let's head on over to our creator dashboard. To do so, click your name at the top right, then head to creator dashboard. And welcome to dashboard version 2.0, featuring a complete overhaul, redesign of our UI, rewritten from the ground up, close to 4,000 or 5,000 lines of code reduction, meaning your CPU will not be hammered as hard as version 1 did. Let's go over this new design. First, everything has been slimmed down, reducing the backend code, as well as optimizing performance. Chatbox feel responsive, events feel snappy and responsive, and the sidebar on the left also feels snappy and responsive. Just look how smooth that collapse and extend animation is. You may have noticed that the items on the left-hand side menu are missing their descriptions. Well, how about hovering your mouse over and have the descriptions reveal with an extension as well as a light sweep across all of them? I'm going to go by a couple of menus so that you guys can have a look at how this new version 2 of our dashboard looks like. The first thing we are on is our stream manager, where you will update your title as well as check your moderation logs and your activity feed, as well as your stream preview and your chatbox, dead center. For the pop-ups, we've moved that to a different menu. It can be found right here. You have the option for a multi-pop-out, OBS chat doc, prompter chat, OBS activity feed. Next, our chat options have also been moved to their separate window under the chat modes menu. Here, you can set a slow mode, followers only, subscribers only, or emote only. Or you can clear the chat with a press of a button. And as you can see, notices like these have received a UI design overhaul. Let's go over our message effects, our emotes menu, and our channel point system. Next, let's go over a couple of menus on the left-hand side. Every menu has been given a redesign, and as you can see, the collab side has also been given a completely new redesign and compressing it so that all information is displayed on one page. Your analytics and growth also has received a much needed overhaul. On the community side, it has received the exact same treatment. For the monetization side, it still looks the same, but now everything has been combined into one page. For the alerts and rewards side, we've also compressed and compacted the different menus, bringing information more up and being displayed more in one page without having to scroll down. For the chat overlay, it also has been given a UI redesign. As you can see, this chat overlay is a new version 2 of our version 1 chat overlay, supporting multiple platforms. Video about that coming soon once it is out of beta and available for the public to see. VODs and clips also have received a UI redesign. Last and not least, journals. The same thing too. There is two things different here. When you click your name at the bottom left, you will see there is a new creator menu redesigned. Note that some of the options here may not show on a normal account, as these options only appear for Velora staff and the CEO. Oh, and one more thing. You'll be redirected to the homepage of Velora by clicking our logo at the top left corner. Sweet. Let's go over one more thing. I will use Pet's stream as an example for this. You may have noticed below the input message box, there are new redesign buttons. Channel points, vaults, subs have now been given this new overhaul and has been compacted so more information can be seen on one page without having to scroll. Gifted subs also follows the same design. For message effects and emotes, they look the same as you have seen them in the creator dashboard. This new redesigned and rewritten dashboard in Chatbox allows Velora to run smoothly on your CPU without hammering too much of your resources, as well as bring a responsiveness and improved Chatbox so that badges displays consistently and across the entire platform. See you next time.